Your Korean is not going to improve if you learn how to say 가지마 and just stopping there. The best way to learn and improve is when you run across a new phrase like that, look into how that sentence is constructed and see what you can replace. For example, if you use the phrase 가지마, which means don't go, you'll learn that it's created by adding a verb stem to 지마, which means don't. So naturally, 가 is going to mean go. That's a verb. Now the next step is to look for more verbs that you can fit into this form. And that's a great way to improve because now you're learning other verbs too. Then you're gonna try replacing the verb in this form with all the other verbs that you're looking up. 가지마, 하지마, 보지마, 듣지마, 뛰지마, 자지마, 먹지마, 말하지마. And then just repeat this exact process with whatever phrase you run across next. And you'll find yourself improving super fast.
I like you 좋아해 I love you 사랑해 I miss you 보고 싶어 I want to be with you 같이 있고 싶어 I only think about you 네 생각만 해 I'm happy because of you 네가 있어서 행복해 I'll stay by your side 네 옆에 있을게
Please go 가주세요 Please come 와주세요 Please look 봐주세요 Please buy 사주세요 Please play with me 놀아주세요 Please eat 먹어주세요 Please help me 도와주세요 Please tell me 알려주세요 Please be
하다, 하지 말래. 가다, 가지 말래. 기다리다, 기다리지 말래. 전화하다, 전화하지 말래. 걱정하다, 걱정하지 말래. Got it? Good job.
That means to exist or to have 어디에 있어요 Where is it? 여기에 있어요 It is here 집에 있어요 At the house 시간이 있어요 I have time 돈이 있어요 I have money 고양이가 있어요 I have a cat 저기요 Excuse me 여기요 Over here 주세요 Please give me 예뻐요 It's pretty 좋아요 I like it 괜찮아요 It's okay 가고 싶어요 I want to go 보고 싶어요 I miss you 지금 가요 I'm going now 고마워요 Thank you
Excuse me, 저기요. Can I order 주문할 수 있을까요?
Can I get a coffee? 커피 하나 주세요 Ice or hot, ice or 뜨거운 걸로요 Size medium please Medium size로요 That's all for me 이게 다예요 Anything else 더 필요하신 건요
That's okay, 괜찮아요.